Well, good morning there guys, here we are down at the allotment, and as you can see, had a bit of a catastrophe with the netting getting blown over, not only there but there as well. So it's going to be a case of trying to get it put back up again. So I'll get back to you once I've made some progress. Okay then, so that's the hoops put back up, extra canes along the side there. So what I do before I put the netting on is to have a couple of canes going across the tops. So that's that one. This one's much the same, but doesn't look quite so good, but then sometimes you have to make do with what you've got. And that's what I've had to do in this case. But anyway, we can have a look at other things. But the red and white onions seem to be doing alright there. Need a bit of a weed out. Here's the shallots. They're certainly doing alright. I'm going to have to get these covers off pretty smartish, otherwise they'll be growing in them. But here we have now earlier in the year, a lot earlier obviously, I sowed some carrots, but because I couldn't get down here, what with the missus having a knee op and me being in hospital, they didn't germinate. But then as soon as the heat wave stopped and we got a bit more rain, they germinated. So this is going to be a bit of a fun thing to clear out, because I don't want to be putting half-grown carrots in the compost. Look at that cane work there from the distance. You can see just how unlevel it is. Still, that's me. Can't get it level, can't get it straight. Strawberries could do with a weeding, couldn't they? Yes, they could. But anyway, I knew that this was like this because I did nip down earlier. Well, I think it was Thursday or Friday I came down, and around about here I had 4 cauliflower, but the netting and the poles got blown right over, and the cauliflower was flattened, so I took them out. Even though the peppers are looking a bit the worse for the wear, they still got flower buds on there. That's quite surprising. And at the back here we got the garlic. They're doing alright, they're doing well actually. And at the front here, an allotment staple, broad beans. And then what I'm really quite surprised about, because I didn't come down over the weekend, but I accidentally left these exactly where they are now. So they've had all that rain and they've sprouted, and that's meaty peas. So I'm going to pop them in the greenhouse, give them a chance to dry out a bit, otherwise they'll just rot away before they've even had a chance, really. So yeah, that's stayed flat at the minute, but the rest of it is just getting things tidied up, getting a bit more weeding done. So on that note, I'll say cheerio. Well, there we go then. That's the netting put back in place. As you can see here, 2 different types of netting that does the job. And that's that one done as well. So all in all, quite happy with that. I shall just come back down the next fine day and just put down these edges and make sure they're down right. And yeah, so that's that. So that's the latest update, I'm afraid. So short and sweet, but nevertheless got a bit more done. So on that note, it's bye from me and the allotment fox. She is about here somewhere. She keeps milling about. Actually not gone now.